Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super simple, yet incredibly beneficial, health hack chia water. This tiny superfood has been making waves in the health community, and for good reason. Packed with nutrients and incredibly versatile, chia seeds are a great addition to any diet. But have you ever considered starting your day with them? Today, we're going to delve into the world of chia water and explore 8 amazing benefits of drinking it first thing in the morning. Benefit number 1 is hydration. Chia seeds can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, making chia water a phenomenal way to hydrate. Imagine starting your day with a supercharged glass of water that not only quenches your thirst, but also keeps you hydrated longer. That's the magic of chia water for you. Moving on, the second benefit is the energy boost. Chia seeds are like tiny powerhouses filled with B vitamins, zinc, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients work in harmony to give you a natural energy boost. So if you're looking to cut back on caffeine, why not try replacing your morning coffee with a glass of chia water? It's a healthier alternative that'll keep you energized without the jitters or the crash. Now let's talk about heart health. Did you know that chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids? These are the good fats that your heart loves. Regular consumption of these omega-3s can help reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels, promoting overall heart health. So by starting your day with chia water, you're not just hydrating and energizing your body, you're also taking care of your heart. Finally, benefit number 4 is weight loss. Here's a fun fact for you. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which can help you feel full longer. This fullness can curb your appetite and prevent overeating during meals. If you're on a weight management journey, chia water could be a great addition to your diet. It's a low-calorie drink that can help you stay on track with your goals and keep those pesky hunger pangs at bay. Benefit 4 is weight loss. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which helps you feel full longer and can curb your appetite. This can prevent overeating during meals, aiding in weight management. So there you have it, the first 4 amazing benefits of starting your day with chia water. Stay tuned for the rest. Moving on to digestive health. The fiber in chia seeds also helps with digestion and can prevent constipation. Incorporating chia water into your morning routine can help keep your digestive system running smoothly. Imagine starting your day knowing you're doing something great for your gut health. That's the power of chia water. Now, let's talk about your skin. Benefit number 6 is all about skin and aging. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants that help fight the production of free radicals. These pesky little molecules can damage cell molecules and contribute to aging. But with chia water, you're helping your body combat these effects, promoting healthier and younger-looking skin. Moving on to our 7th benefit, blood sugar control. The fiber in chia seeds can help regulate blood sugar levels. It does this by slowing down the rate at which complex carbohydrates are digested and absorbed into the body. This is particularly beneficial for those with diabetes or anyone looking to maintain a balanced diet. Last but not least, we come to bone health. Chia seeds are a good source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which are essential for bone strength. Starting your day with chia water is like giving your bones a mini workout. This is a great benefit, especially if you're lactose intolerant or don't consume dairy. So, as we wrap up our discussion on the amazing benefits of chia water, it's clear to see why it's gaining popularity among health enthusiasts. From aiding digestion to promoting skin health, regulating blood sugar levels, and strengthening bones, chia water is a powerhouse of benefits. And the best part? It's simple to make and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Remember, your health is your wealth. So why not invest in it with something as simple and beneficial as chia water? After all, the journey to a healthier you could start with just a glass of chia water in the morning. So there you have it, 8 compelling reasons to start your day with chia water. Hydration, energy, heart health, weight loss, digestive health, skin and aging, blood sugar control, and bone health. It's easy to prepare too. Simply add a tablespoon of chia seeds to a glass of water and let it sit until the seeds swell, about 20 minutes. You can even prep it the night before. If you try it out, let me know how it goes by dropping a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more healthy tips and tricks. See you next time.